Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to do a quick video of Bitcoin and just around the trading range that it started. I'm actually pretty happy with what it's doing right now. It actually created a bear cycle um, October 6th back at 11 o'clock in the morning, right? And all we're really doing is just trading sideways, and it created that at 54,584 or 54,563, and that 54,232, that's where the current trading range is right now. So it really only trade it's I would still consider this trading sideways because we really only dropped about what, like maybe 300 points, like 300, like $330. So it's still technically sideways trading. I would not consider this a big drop at all. um, the good part is that the 4 hour, it looks like we are weakening. So on the bull side, it does look like we're starting to gain a little bit more strength on the bull side, and on the hour, we actually had that bear cycle, but all we've really done is just kind of trade sideways, and we already created bottoms on the stochastic, right? If you go a little bit lower to the 30 minute, it's everything has been moving just sideways. So as of right now, I think Bitcoin's just waiting for another leg up or another leg down. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it is between this trading range right now. So, it can either go down, retest trend, and then run back up, or it just runs back up from here. But again, like what I told with Shiba Inu, Bitcoin has been trading on trend ever since what? Ever since September 29th, so the end of the month of September, right? It's just been following trend, been consistent, been going up to the upward side. So it's pretty fantastic, right? And we're actually above support of 52,984. So if you do have a bull trigger, I fully expect us to run all the way up to 60K. It's definitely a possibility if we have everything going on the bullish side for us, right? The weekly is already giving us signs that it's going to close bullish, and you guys know that if the weekly closes bullish on Bitcoin, I'm 100% bullish. There's no doubt about it. I'm 100% bullish, and I might add even more to my position. But that's not going to happen until Sunday. If we do have this little red bubble get created right here, I'm 100% bullish on Bitcoin. No questions asked. On the month, again, same thing. You are starting to see weakened signs of a bull market, of a what is it called, of a bear market. Right now, on this in the current month right now of October, well, not October, September, October. So October right here, right? It doesn't even have any signs of a bear market at all. I would argue that it's actually on the zero line because it's not creating any candle, right? There's no bear candle created, right? It's not a bear weekend candle would be dark blue, and a full-on bear candle would be that lighter blue color, and there's no candle even created. So if anything, this would be extremely bullish on Bitcoin side. The only worrisome part right now is that you actually have on the day chart, you actually have a pretty good instance of us possibly closing a bear cycle on the day. And usually when that happens, you tend to drop a pretty significant amount. So the last time we created something like this was on September 7th, right? And you had a massive drop from around these levels, right? 52,803, and then at peak low, that's what kind of started the drop off, all the way down to like a 40K or like a 39K crypto before we recover right now. So again, the daily is kind of worrisome right now. I'm kind of worried about the daily because a lot of stuff can happen if that actually ends up closing a bear cycle, and it depends how strong it is. But as of right now, the 1 hour and 4 hour can definitely change the direction of the daily by doing some insane bullish move right now. So I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying that it's all we've been doing is trading sideways and not down for Bitcoin. I would not consider. Let me get rid of this. There you go. I would not consider a move from like, what is it, from like, from 54.5 down to like where current prices are, 54.1, or even lower, the lowest point of 53K as a bear move at all. This is essentially just sideways trading. We're just trading in a range. And all we really need to do is either break to the high side, possibly, and then we go to 60K, we break to the low side. We would have to break also, not only break the trading range, but we would have to break support in order for us to hit trend, right? So that would be an even harder thing to do, to actually go to the low side. But like I said, there's a lot of things that can happen. I really only see two scenarios. Either we break to the high side and Bitcoin runs to 60, we break on the low side, it hits support and it breaks that, also hits trend and then recovers, or you see it actually break trend and then it goes all the way back down to like 48K. But as of right now, I am pretty bullish on Bitcoin as it's just kind of trading sideways on the hour and 4 hour bear cycles. So after we cross over on a bull cycle, I definitely expect Bitcoin to run again. I want to see how strong it actually pushes, but maybe today or tomorrow I can expect Bitcoin back at like a 55K. I think that's a big possibility. As far as breaking trading range, I don't know yet. We have to wait and see for the 4 hour. Usually when it breaks trading ranges, it likes to do that on the 4 hour bull cycle. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna end the video there. You know, if you guys like the way that I trade, or if you guys like the way that I forecast and everything, you know, go ahead and join the Patreon, follow my video, subscribe, you know, like the video, leave a comment and ask me. And if you guys have any requests for any tickers, definitely love looking at new tickers. It helps me, you know, find like new companies and also find new swing trades for myself, right? And it also helps everybody else by you guys knowing what I think something is gonna do. But I'll see you guys later. Have a great night. Like I said, you know, I have a Patreon where I put all my indicators, where I teach everybody how to trade, and it seems like it's going extremely well because, you know, people are already asking me to, like, you know, I've had a couple people who are like, yo, like, this is really solid. Like, I want to pay for the full year already. And I'm like, I'm new to social media, right? I don't even know how you pay for a full Patreon, but I just, you know, hopefully it's helping people out. That's it. That's really it. And it seems to be working, and my, you know, my trading style seems to be working for a lot of people. So, you know, like the video, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bitcoin bullish, sideways trading on bear cycles. I think there's a high chance that we go up and break that trading range and we head to 60. But right now, especially with that 50 EMA touch, I can talk about charts all day, man. But I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.